Dear students, welcome back to our story, Who Did Patrick's Homework? We have seen that Patrick was a lazy boy who never did homework. He played hockey, basketball and video games. What did his teachers tell him every day? His teachers used to tell him that, Patrick, if you didn't do your homework in time, you will not learn a thing in future. Let us see what is happening in our next paragraphs. One day he found his cat playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. To his surprise, it was not a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch's. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to that cat! I will grant you a wish, I promise you that." One day, Patrick found that his cat was playing with a little doll. He went near to that little doll and tried to grab it away. To his surprise, he found that it was not a doll. Then what it was? Yes, it was a man of the tiniest size, very small. You can see in the picture itself the size of the man. Near to him you can see a cat was sitting. Cat is bigger than this small man. He had a little wool shirt with old-fashioned breeches and a high tall hat much like a witch's. Breeches means short trousers. He had a wool shirt with old-fashioned trousers and a hat just like a witch's. Have you seen the hats of a witch in any of the story or any of the channel, cartoon channel? Yes, very good. He yelled, "Save me! Don't give me back to that cat! I will grant you a wish. I promise. If you could save me from the cat, I will grant you a wish." Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Here was the answer to all of his problems. So he said, "Only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's." Now let us see the next paragraph. Patrick couldn't believe himself how lucky he was because he found a solution to all the problems. What was the main problem of our lazy Patrick? Yes, he never did his homework. Now he got a solution. Let us see what was the solution to all the problems that our Patrick had faced till now. He told Elf that, "I will save you from the cat only in one condition." What was the condition? If you do all my homework till the end of the semester. Here one semester is for 35 days. So if Elf do all the homeworks of Patrick for 35 days, definitely Patrick can get A grades. See, Patrick was a lazy boy. He himself wanted to get A grades. He always wanted to get A grades without doing hard work. Okay? Are you like Patrick? Now, next paragraph. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. He kicked his legs. doubled his fists. He grimaced and scolded and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. Listening to the conditions of our Patrick, little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. Just go to the kitchen. There you can see your mother might have kept a dishcloth near to the sink. It might be in a small drawer or a small plastic tub. Okay, there you can see wrinkled dishcloth. There you can see wrinkles. Wrinkles means uneven lines. You can make wrinkles if you catch hold of a paper in your hand. Yes, you open the paper, you can see that there may be many lines on the paper. Okay. Here, Elf was unhappy after listening to the conditions of Patrick. He kicked his legs, doubled his fists, grimaced, scolded, pursed. All these are expressions which show Elf, the little man, was unhappy. He is showing his disgust, anger, and disapproval towards Patrick. He said himself, am I cursed? Yes, I'm cursed now. That's why this lazy boy is compelling me to do all his homework. If I didn't agree what he had said right now, definitely the cat will going to eat me. So I have no other way. I have to help this Patrick out. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework. Except there was one glitch. The elf didn't always know what to do, and he needed help. Help me, he would say. And Patrick would have to help in whatever way. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. Get me a dictionary? No. What is even better? Look up the word and sound it out by each letter. Here is the real fun. Elf was ready to help Patrick. He started doing Patrick's homework. But there was one hiccup. There was one problem. Glitch means a hitch or problem. Okay. The elf didn't know what to do. He needed help. Always he used to tell Patrick, help me Patrick. And poor Patrick, he had to help Elf in whatever way that he could do. Elf used to tell him, I don't know this word. Give me a dictionary. Otherwise, you look up for the word. Spell it, each letter. When it came to Max, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? Elf shrieked. We elves never need that. You see? Now, Patrick was out of luck. Unlucky. Elf is asking him to tell timetables. Elf shrieked. Shrieking means giving a high-pitched cry. We elves never need a timetable. Add addition and subtraction and division and fractions. Here, sit down beside me. You simply must guide me. Elves know nothing of human history. To them, it's a mystery. So, the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. Got to the library. I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. See the condition of our poor lazy Patrick. Elf told him that we elves never needed a timetable, and we have not learned addition, subtraction, division and fraction. So you have to sit near to me, simply guide me. We don't know anything of human history. For us it is a mystery. So always Elf compelled Patrick to go to library and to refer more and more books. So dear student, please read all these paragraphs. If you have any doubt in any of the sentence, you can ask me. Bye.